Let's talk about the crypto crash and the downward swing that we've been seeing lately. If you're interested in knowing my thoughts around the crypto space and what I'll be doing with my crypto investment, then please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing really well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. I do a lot of study, career and personal finance related videos here on my channel. So if that's something of interest to you, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below and be sure to follow me on my Instagram as well, BYSANJNA. And if you are new to my channel, then you may not know, but I do have a website which I recently launched and I offer career consulting services on there. So if you need any advice at all in terms of your career strategy, roadmap, any tips on interviews, CV, cover letter writing, and your LinkedIn profile, then be sure to head to successbysanjna.com. Now, as you can tell by the title of today's video, I wanted to just sit down, have an honest chat with you guys about what's happening within the crypto space, what's going on, what are my thoughts, am I worried, am I going to sell, and talk about all of that good stuff. So if you are interested, then please keep watching. Now, before we begin, I just wanted to mention this video is sponsored by SwiftX. You guys have all heard of SwiftX here on my channel before. They are an Australian exchange, an Australian crypto exchange based in Brisbane. They offer trading services for Australians and also New Zealand traders as well. So if you are interested in getting started with cryptocurrency, then be sure to click on the link in the description box down below and you'll be able to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin upon your verification. Now, a little bit about SwiftX. So as mentioned, they are an Australian exchange. They currently have over 260 crypto assets, and of recent they do have over 300,000 registered traders on their website. What I love about SwiftX is that they have a very user-friendly interface. I use their mobile app as well to check my portfolio, and I'm always on this app, and it's very simple, very easy to use. Not only that, but their verification process to sign up is very simple, very straightforward, and it literally took me less than a minute to get started. And if you are new to the crypto world and you're not entirely sure, then they do actually have a demo feature as well on their website, which I encourage you guys to all check out. It's great for beginners who are still sort of trying to navigate their way, learning about crypto, how to trade and whatnot. So definitely recommend giving that a go. And not only that, they do have low fees, one of the lowest fees in Australia here. So if you are interested, then as mentioned, click the link in the description box down below to my code for SwiftX and for you to be able to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. What I will do as well, if you are new and you don't actually know how to set up an account with SwiftX, I have actually done a video on this on my channel, which I will leave up here for you guys to check out, and also in the description box down below in case you do need some assistance step by step on how you can actually get started. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started on today's video. Let's talk about what's happening in the market, my thoughts, and whether I am going to sell or not. So let me give you guys a quick update as to what's been happening in case you've been living under a rock. So lately what we've been seeing all over the news, everywhere almost, I've been seeing this, and people are talking about whether the crypto market is now entering a bear market. People are saying that the bull cycle is over and that this is the end. This is it. Prices are just going to keep going down and we are headed towards that bear market. Just to confirm, we are seeing those corrections within the market, but if you've been around and you've been investing for a while like I have, then this is pretty normal. So there is a lot of fear, uncertainty and doubt, also known as FUD. People are very skeptical about what is happening in the market, whether we are heading downwards and this is it, whether we should sell. But guys, my honest opinion is that these are all very, very normal. So obviously, given that, cryptocurrency is a relatively new asset class, we are obviously going to experience, volatility. We are going to experience corrections. This is all part of the game. And personally, I don't think we're at the end of the bull cycle yet. I did initially, in the beginning of this year, year. I did think that the cycle was going to end, you know, maybe August, September, October period, but I feel like given all the corrections that this bull cycle is here to stick around until next year, early next year. And to be honest, that's going to work in my favor because a lot of the coins that I did purchase were in the beginning of this year. So in case you're not aware, if you do hold a coin for less than a year and you decide to sell within that year, then you do have to pay 50% of capital gains tax. Whereas if you hold it over a year, then that price obviously reduces. So if that was the case, then that would definitely work in my favor. A few reasons why I think that the market is obviously, you know, crashing and, you know, has that negative sentiment. Obviously, I think this is a lot to do with, you know, Elon Musk tweeting, China banning cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all of the news articles that we're seeing lately. So this does have a part to play, but I think that a lot of people have sort of, you know, pulled out of the market, and it is getting rid of all of the weak hands or paper hands, and it's just shaking out all of the people that were in for a quick sort of gain. So here are my thoughts on cryptocurrency. I think if you are looking to invest, then you do need to go in with the mindset that if you do invest, you should be prepared to lose those funds. With cryptocurrency, just because it is very volatile, there are a lot of corrections taking place because it is a new asset class as well. These corrections are bound to happen. They happened 4 years ago, they're happening now, and who knows whether they'll continue happening. With cryptocurrency, if you are looking to invest, then you should be going in with a mindset and only investing money that you are prepared to lose. A lot of people out there investing, you know, large parts of their paychecks. Once the market is in this downward swing, people are selling their crypto at a loss. So personally, what I think, of course, this is non-financial advice, but personally what I think is if you're looking to invest in crypto, you need to be in for the long haul. You need to be in for the long term, because I feel like given it is a new asset class, there's obviously going to be a lot of fluctuations. I saw it when I, you know, invested. So my investing story started off with me investing $4,000, and I invested in 2018, and at that time prices were coming down. So I invested $4,000, and by the end of it, I only had $400 in my account. I decided not to sell because that would be very foolish of me to sell, because what's $400 going to do for me? It's not going to really do much. So I decided to hold, and I held on until obviously even now I haven't sold a single thing, because I believe the market is still going to be going upwards. I feel that we are still not at the end of this bull cycle, and since my investing journey in 2018, I have been dollar cost averaging. I do believe in a lot of the projects that these coins are backed by, and I do believe that the market is yet to sort of reach its top. A lot of people actually think cryptocurrency is a scam. I talk to a lot of my friends, a lot of people around me, and they actually don't have a single idea about what cryptocurrency actually is, and they are very skeptical in investing, which is totally fine. But I think what we need to do and what we should be doing is actually educating ourselves and really getting familiar with this, because it is obviously a digital form of currency. I feel like this is a way forward. This is a way for the future. So I think everyone needs to have a strategy in place if you are looking to invest in crypto. The market will continue correcting, but you do need to have a strategy in place, and you do need to think of investing in terms of long-term investing. Stop checking your portfolio every single day. I know it's a little bit hard. I do the same thing, but you've just got to be able to invest your money, leave it on the side, forget about it, and, you know, hopefully within the next 5-10 years time, you'll be able to see that money grow. So personally, what am I doing in this, you know, crypto crash? I am looking to purchase more. I have been purchasing. I have been dollar cost averaging my way in, and I am going to continue doing that. I think this is the perfect time to buy. Definitely not to sell, because you're obviously going to lose out on your investment. And so let me show you quickly on the Swiftx website about what I'm actually talking about. All right, so let's go on to the trade icon. Let's go into charts. Let's have a look at Bitcoin and how it's tracking. So we're here at USD. We're looking at the daily graph here. I'm just going to put that onto log, and let's have a look here. So, all right, what I want to show you guys is that if we have a look here, the all-time high price that we can see was about $65,000 for the price of Bitcoin, and the all-time low price that we can see here was almost at about $30,000. So if we just get our ruler here and we measure how much that decrease has been, then the price of Bitcoin has come down about 54%. That's obviously coming downwards. Now, let's have a look here. That's the decrease in price. Now, if we go to the same way, but we start off here, let's say. So let's have a look. And if we were to go all the way up, as you can see, the price has actually, if we come up here, you can see that it is 115. Sorry, it's just a bit hard to see, but it's almost an increase of about 115, 114%. Now, obviously, as we can see down here, it's obviously less risky to, you know, purchase your crypto as compared to purchasing it up there. But yeah, that's a little bit about the cryptocurrency space and what my thoughts are. So all I'm saying is that we need to educate ourselves. A lot of people do say it's a scam because they are unaware of what's going on. They are uneducated and they are pretty ignorant in, you know, what's going on around the world. So I would definitely recommend getting yourself educated, looking into this space. If you are interested, then you can definitely use the referral code down below in the description box to get yourself $10 worth of free Bitcoin. Check out the demo feature. If you're not comfortable with, you know, starting to invest straight away, that's totally fine. Have a look at the demo feature and play around, have a look at the functionalities, navigate your way through SwiftX, and yeah, that's basically the end of the video. That's everything I'm going to talk about today. Let me know what other types of videos you'd like to see from me. And that's it, guys. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.